Oh, I just bought this thing. Let's open it. Okay, well, this is the Nintendo DSi. Here's the box. On the box it says free games from Nintendo DSi shop. Limited time only. And it has in French and Spanish, I think. Or German. And then, yeah, this is the box. Let's see if I can open it this time. Tape. Oh, I don't like this tape. Okay. And then this side. And this tape. Ah, okay. It's a really long rectangular manual, it seems, with the frame. Okay, quick start. Let's see. Quick start. Same thing in another language. Same thing. Whoa, operations manual. Super thick. It's like colored pictures and everything. But it also has it in 2 other languages, so that's cool. Have to look at that. Join the club. Nintendo Power. Health and safety book. It's like, do not eat your DSi. Okay. There's a stylus. There's power cable. And then, wrapped in this thing is, aha, the DSi. So, this is my first DS. I don't know what the original DS is. Okay, so I was talking about, this is the DSi. I've never had a DS before, so I don't know what to expect, or what the difference is between this one. Apparently the screen is slightly larger, if you can see, and I guess the volume controls are different. The volume here is just 2 buttons, and then the right cartridge. This bottom part feels kind of rubbery. That's nice. Is there a battery? I guess the battery is already inside. What? Looks like I have to unscrew this to put the battery in. I don't want to do that every time. But, okay, let's turn the power on. Power. You see that? Whoa, there's too much glare. Glare, my enemy! Volume. Let me, zoom. Okay, where's the stylus? Where is this? Aha. So there's actually 2 stylus. This is an extra one. And this is the one that's in the thing. Okay. Okay. Ready? First touch. Language. English. Okay. Country. What country am I in? United States. Okay. My date. What's today's date? April 5th, of course. Dang it. 2009. Okay. Set current time. You guys don't know what time I made this video. 10. $26. Enter your username. My username. I'll use this one. City space Hunter. Okay. Enter a personal message. Why do I need a personal message? I'll do yo. That's done. Okay, yo. Enter my birthday. Month. Day. Favorite color? Oh, what's my favorite color? Lavender. No. Blue, green. Oh. Green, pink. I'll just do this blue. Looks like a Nintendo Wii blue. Oh, settings, tab setup. Parental controls? No, I don't need parental controls. Touch screen to continue. With Nintendo DS, I can take photos. A built-in camera. Oh, later. Save photos will be displayed on top of the screen. Have fun with the DSi camera. The camera. DSi sound. The shop. Download, play Nintendo. Pick to chat Nintendo. And a bunch of empty slots. I guess for games and stuff. Nothing inserted into the game slot. Save. So I guess that's it. Let's look at the camera. Oh. Welcome. Next. I don't need to explain functions. It should be intuitive. Camera. Whoa, you see me? That's me. Next. Distortion lens. No. That's lame. That's lame. Oh, just want to make me look fat. I get it. I get it. Oh. Oh, because he's gonna use this for that game. Yeah. How do I exit? Whoa. I just took a picture with this thing. No, I don't wanna. How do I exit? How do I change the brightness? To change brightness, you press select and the volume buttons. Okay, cool. How do I exit? How do I exit this? Exit, exit. I don't want to look at my album. Go back, edit. Ah. I don't care, let me exit. Do I have to do this every time I want to take a picture? Stop, 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 stop. I don't care. Start. I don't want a mustache. Power. Should I turn it off? Can I just power? Ready? Power. Aha. There. Apparently power is just the menu button. Took me back to the menu. Okay, I guess that works. Well, I guess that's the thing. I don't have any games for this currently, so I can't test any of those out. Oh, come on. How do I turn this off? Press and hold. Okay. Well, I guess I'll walk through what's on this thing. Well, it has 0.5 megapixel camera, microphone, speakers, and then that's it. Here's another camera that I think would get scratched a lot, so I might put like a piece of tape or something as a screen protector to protect this glass. And then left, right, put the stylus in here, SD card, kind of like the PSP. But yeah, I guess that's all I can show you for the DSi now. So, okay. Cool. I'll have to get some games for this. Alright. I'm gonna have to put some screen protectors on this, especially when I'm gonna touch the screen all the time. And the main reason I got a DS is so I can play those language games, you know, like my Spanish coach, my French coach, and all those other learning games like Big Brain Academy and stuff. So I'm also getting a DSi for learning purposes, and for gaming I just use my PSP. But okay, cool. I guess that's it. I have to close it when it's on. The sound's gone, but it's like standby. The screen's turned off too. Ready? Okay, too much fun. Well, okay, I guess that's DSi. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, bye.